So in lathe, there are five common parts. So the common parts are bed, guideways, lead screw, prime mover, and mechanical transmission. Okay, so these are the common five parts with regard to lathe, and we'll be explaining all these in detail now. Okay, so first one is lathe bed. So in lathe bed, there are again four subtopics, like what are the functions of lathe, what is the material used, what are the manufacturing methods, and what is the shape. So we'll start off with functions now. So functions, it can be a rigid, damping, or house. Okay, so it should be rigid enough to withstand for the forces acting during machining and different elements of the machine tools. Okay, this is called as the rigidity. So for damping, high damping qualities to absorb vibration induced during machining. This is the quality of damping. Next one will be house. So it should act as a housing for keeping some of the parts of machine in the bed itself. Okay, so these are the three different parts of the three different functions for the lathe bed. Okay, first one is rigid, second one is damping, third one is housing. For rigidity, it should be rigid enough to withstand for the forces acting during machining and different elements of the machine tool. Okay, damping will be high damping qualities to absorb vibration. Damping means vibration, and it should be able to observe the vibrations. Okay, so next one is housing. So it should act as housing for keeping some of the parts of the machine in the bed itself. Okay. So the second one for lathe bed is material. So what material we are using for manufacturing of lathe bed? So bed of the machine tool is made by using gray cast iron as a material because the presence of cementite in the granular form in gray cast iron will be giving high damping qualities in addition to high rigidity. So you should not only have high rigidity, you should also have high damping quality. So in order to have high rigidity plus high damping quality, we are choosing gray cast iron as a material. So because presence of cementite is in the form of granules, and this will give you high damping in addition to high rigidity. So this is a material used in lathe bed is gray cast iron. Okay,